In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcode in Elementor. Whether you're building a dynamic website or just want to add that little extra functionality, knowing how to effectively use shortcodes in Elementor can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To get started, you'll first need to open the specific page that you wish to edit with Elementor. Simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard, find the page you're interested in, and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will take you straight into the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Here, you have an array of widgets and editing tools at your fingertip, offering countless options to customize your layout and implement various functionalities. Once you're in the Elementor editing panel, one of the first things you'll need to do is locate the widget panel. If you're new to Elementor, you'll find this on the left side of the screen. It offers a range of useful widgets that can help enhance your website design and functionality. For our task today, you'll want to type shortcode into the search bar within this panel. This action will quickly bring up the shortcode widget, making it easy for you to find without having to scroll through all the available options. Drag the shortcode widget from the panel and drop it into the section of your page layout where you'd like the particular feature or function enabled by your shortcode to appear. This step is crucial. Be mindful of where you place it because it determines where the output of your shortcode will be rendered on your live page. Now comes the fun part. With your shortcode widget in place on your layout, you'll need to paste your specific shortcode into the Content tab, which is conveniently located on the left panel of your screen. This is where you enter the shortcode string, such as Contact Form 7 ID 1E3. The beauty of Elementor is that it doesn't require a visual preview for shortcodes. In fact, Elementor renders the effect of the shortcode directly, so you can rely on the fact that what you input will correctly translate to your live page as intended. This seamless process ensures you don't have to interrupt your design flow to check if the shortcode is working, saving you time and potential frustration. And there you have it. Adding a shortcode in Elementor is as simple as that. With just a few steps, opening the page, searching for the appropriate widget, dragging it into place, and pasting your shortcode into the content area, you can effectively enhance your website's functionality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a try on your own Elementor projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!